crashing File Explorer process can be infuriating, but fortunately, it's easy to fix it on Windows 11. So first up, you can simply restart Windows Explorer process to fix issues with it. All you have to do is right-click on your taskbar, click Task Manager, go to Processes tab, locate Windows Explorer, right-click on it, then select Restart. Now your taskbar will disappear, and after that, File Explorer should work fine on your Windows 11. Next, clear File Explorer cache by searching File Explorer Options. Go to General tab. Click the Clear option next to Clear File Explorer History. Now still into File Explorer Options. You'd also try configuring it by clicking the drop-down menu next to Open File Explorer 2 and select this PC. Once done, hit Apply, followed by OK. It is also possible that your third-party antivirus program is conflicting with the File Explorer process, resulting in abrupt crashes. To check for this possibility, you can temporarily disable your antivirus program by clicking its icon on the taskbar, select Shield's Control, then select Disable until the next restart. And those are the possible fixes if your File Explorer keeps crashing in your Windows 11 computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.